wow, gonna drop shit. Hey everyone, we're back for another demo. Today we're going to be doing look number 3, which is a dark all over lid blended up into the crease. When I say dark, it could just be your darkest color. It can be tan, it can be blue, it can be green, it can be black, it can be whatever color. It's just your darkest shade is going to be on your lid blended up into your crease. This look is really good for if you have more of a protruding eyelid. It also is really great for a good smoky because it's dark blended out really nice. I am going to be using black today, a little throwback to my gothic days, just because it'd be fun for me to play with, and I'm wearing skulls. So, but again, it's just your darkest color. I do not recommend this pattern for if you have a sunken lid where your lid sinks back and your brow bone pushes forward, because the dark color is going to push your lid back just a little too much. And I really wouldn't recommend it if your eyes are really, really small, because you want to get size with small eyes. But other than that, play around with it and see if it works for your eye shape. But again, it's really good for the more protruding lids. Okay, so here we go. So we're starting with a few different palettes. We're going to start with my Tarte palette. I'm just using a light color here just for my brow bone. We always do our brow bones first. This helps protect your overall look, keeps a nice clean underbrow. It also is going to make sure I have more size. If you don't have enough light up here, your eyes will look like it shrunk. So I'm just going to pack that in place. Now I'm going to be moving to a different palette. This one is from Crown Brush. It's 35 color palette. Again, this is my personal stuff, not pro kit. And we're, wow, gonna drop shit. We are going to just use a neutral brown, and we're going to take that across my entire lid and blend it out into the crease. Now, I am going to be doing black for my eyeshadow, but I have learned that if you put a base of neutral brown down first, your black ends up staying very true black instead of grayish or looking more charcoal or sometimes weirdly blue. And so I like to just get a base color down of just a soft brown. So I'm packing that on and just going to blend that out. Okay. And now we're going to grab the black. Black is scary, black is unforgiving. So that being said, I'm going to take an extra step that I don't usually do on my own personal makeup, but my clients always do, but on my personal makeup I don't always. But I'm going to do some loose setting powder under my eyes and do a little bit of eye cocaine. And this is just going to catch fallout from that black so I don't get a bunch of dark circles. Because dark circles are no fun to clean up. So I look like I've missed my nose while snorting something. I know. And then now I can do my black eyeshadow and not have crazy fallouts. My Morphe Boss Mood has a really good solid black. So I'm just going to pack that on. This is not the best eye pattern for my eyes because I don't have that giant of huge eyes. I also wear glasses, so glasses tend to make your eyes look smaller. But I feel like playing with black today, so I am going to. I haven't done a black smoky eye in quite some time, I will tell you. So I am going to blend it now. And move my bangs. And I like to blend up. You can always add more products. Harder to take away, so I build up slowly. Blend, blend, blend. Get this blended up. Boom, boom, boom. I make noise while I blend because I can. So it requires lots of blending and building and blending and building and blending and building. And you could go straight, like, woo, crazy, hard, and dark with it if you want, but that is up to you. So I am just going to add more dark because it's the dark lid. You know, my clients don't mind my singing to them, so you're just gonna have to deal with it. Yeah, my clients get sung to every time that a song comes on that I know, and I am not really sure that they enjoy it. I say they do, but I'm not really sure they do. I don't really think they do. I think they just kind of tolerate it, and they get serenaded. My poor brides have to deal with my singing. Alright, and a little more blending. Can never have enough blending. And then we are gonna go ahead and get rid of the loose powder under my eyes. See, that worked beautifully. And I have the hiccups. I don't really like the hiccups. I'm gonna do a little dark to my waterline. That is really not pleasant. A little. And then you could just go ahead and there is a all over dark. So you can see with my eyes, they're gonna look darker and more heavy. So it's not an ugly pattern for me, but I have to be careful because I have droopy crease, and if I don't put the dark, see, I do better with a dark crease and a lighter lid to counter that, but this is a dark, so we gothed it out. So there you have it, an all over dark lid, and my cat is making lots of noise, so I have to go pet her, and I will upload more videos, and I hope you enjoy these.